headed over to Wolfgang Puck Bar and Grill at MGM Grand, Las Vegas, to have the world-famous chef, Wolfgang Puck, give me some tips on cooking the ideal comfort meal at home. Chef Puck, it's such an honor to finally meet you. I'm a big fan of your restaurants and your food.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy to be here today because it's that time of year where everybody wants to know the pointers and tips on comfort food.
Well, I really believe in America, the #1 comfort food is beef. It can be a small hamburger on a roadside hamburger stand, or it can be a luxurious hamburger like we make here at the Bar and Grill.
So you've got the beef cooking over here.
And then we grill it really well. Now you can see here, look at that.
That's excellent. So what is this, chef?
This is our onion marmalade with balsamic vinegar. So it gives a little kick to your hamburger. Instead of having raw onions, this you can digest and you can kiss somebody later without having an onion bread.
Well, thank you so much, chef. It looks beautiful.
Thank
and I
you.
know I can't wait to go home
Oh, it's really
and try
delicious.
and do this in my own house.
If not, you come here and I cook it for you.
Oh, that's wonderful.